Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are discussing important current affairs for the topic appointments and resignation for Feb month. Let's start. First is, a Rajya Sabha member of parliament was sworn in as Maharashtra's deputy chief minister, becoming the first woman to hold the position in the state's history. Who is the first woman deputy chief minister of Maharashtra? Right option is Sunitra Pawar. She is the wife of late Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Next, who was approved by RBI as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Yes Bank for 3 years term in Feb 2026. So right option is Vinay Murlidhar Tonse. He will be succeeding Prashant Kumar. Next, who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Manipur in Feb, nearly 1 year after the President's rule was imposed. Right option is Yumnam Khemchand Singh. Right, sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Manipur. Students, take a note of this. Next, identify the automobile manufacturer that appointed Kenta Kon as the new president and CEO in Feb month starting from 1st of April 2026. So, identify that automobile. It is Toyota Motor Corporation. Next, IOC is your International Olympic Committee has elected Soraya Agehi Hajiaga as the first female International Olympic Committee member in Feb 2026. So, as the Iran's first female International Olympic Committee member. Next, which country's Prime Minister Sanaya Takachi's party secured landmark victory in a snap elections held in Feb? So, Sanaya Takichi party is from Japan. Next, identify the leader who won the Thailand's 2026 general elections held in Feb 2026. So, Anutin Charnivakul, right, is the leader who won the Thailand's 2026 general election. Next, identify the bank for which RBI approved R. Vijay Anand as the new managing director and CEO starting from 1st of May 2026 in Feb 2026. So, right option is City Union Bank Limited. Next, name that Indian cricketer who was appointed as the brand ambassador of the inaugural Delhi Khel Mahakumbh in Feb 2026. Right option is Shikhar Dhawan. Next, identify the country that appointed Andrei Gurov as the acting prime minister in Feb to head a caretaker government until April 2026 election. So, identify that country. Right option here is Bulgaria. Moving on, which statutory body functioning under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs elected CA Prasanna Kumar D as the 74th president in Feb for the 26-27 term succeeding CA Charanjot Singh Nanda. Right option is ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Next, who was reappointed as the Managing Director and CEO of AU Small Finance Bank with approval from RBI? Right option is Sanjay Agarwal. Next, in Feb, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas appointed Deepak Gupta as the Chairman and Managing Director of Gas Authority of India Limited, succeeding Sandeep Kumar Gupta. What is the tenure of his post? He will be in this position for the next 3 years. Next, Mia Amor Motley has been re-elected as the Prime Minister of Barbados for third straight term, and after her party won all the 30 seats in the general elections held on 11th of Feb. Next, who was appointed as the chairman of Gift Company Limited by Gujarat government in Feb? So, right option is Uday Suresh Kotak has been appointed here. He will be replacing Hasmukh Adhiaji. He is a retired Indian IAS officer. Next, identify the political leader who was sworn in as the 11th Prime Minister of Bangladesh on 17th Feb, ending the 18th month interim administration led by Muhammad Yunus. So, identify the political leader here. Right option is Tariq Rahman. Next, who was appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of Small Finance Bank starting from 17th of Feb. Right option is Ranjan Bajaj. Next, Rob Arnold's Adrianus Jetten was sworn in as the youngest ever Prime Minister of Dash on 23rd Feb, also becoming the country's first openly gay head of the government. Right option is Netherlands. Next, who succeeded Abhinav Bindra as the second vice chair of the International Olympic Committee Athletes Commission after he concluded his 10-year tenure in Feb 2026. Right option is Humphrey Kayarne. Next, the Financial Service Institution Bureau recommended Hitesh Ramesh Chandra Joshi as chairman cum managing director of which organization? It is for the General Insurance Corporation of India. Next, who was appointed as the global champion for road safety by UN in Feb to promote road safety awareness in India? Right option is Sachin Tendulkar, the famous former cricketer and our currently Rajya Sabha member, has been appointed as the global champion for road safety by UN for promoting road safety awareness in India. Next, IIT Madras Professor B. Ravindran was appointed to UN Independent International Scientific Panel on which sector for AI in Feb, and he will be representing India and the Global South during this conference. Then, who was given the additional charge as the Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog by Appointments Committee of the Cabinet on 24th of Feb? Right option is Nidhi Chibbar. She has been given the additional charge as the CEO of Niti Aayog and she's an IAS officer. Next, who resigned as the President and CEO of the World Economic Forum with Elios Zwingli appointed as the interim Chief Executive Officer? Right option is Bosch Brande. So these are your important current affairs, students. Do take a note of them. Now let's move to some revision part that will be beneficial for your revision. With which India's AI mission under the MEITY signed a statement of intent in Feb month to strengthen AI and digital technology cooperation during the India AI Impact Summit 2026. Right option is Japan. I correct. The right option here is which is the country with which India's AI has signed or India's MEITY has signed this MOU. So which is the country we are talking about here? Right option here, students, is Sweden. Correct? Take a note of this. And this was during the second edition of India AI Impact Summit. Where was this Impact Summit held? It was held at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Next, which government authority collaborated with Google in Feb to display authorized Aadhaar card centers on Google Map, enhancing the accessibility and transparency of Aadhaar services? It is UIDAI. Next, American non-government organization Sapien Labs has released their latest Global Mind Health report titled Global Mind Health in 2025. Mind Health, the ability to navigate life's challenges and function productivity. As per the report, Indian youth adults aged 18 to 34 years rank in which position globally in terms of mind health question? So it stands at Indian youth adults stands at the 60th position here. It is Ghana that secures the first position. Then second is Nigeria. Third is Kenya. Fifth is Tanzania. And on 60th position is our India. Next, name the state that houses RBI's newly launched highly secure second data center at Info Valley Second, Khorda, away from the potential enemy strikes and seismic risk, established in Feb 2026. Right option is Odisha state, right? That houses the RBI's newly launched highly secure second data center. Next, identify the international financial institution that has signed a senior secured debt financing package with Aavas Financiers Limited in Feb month to expand affordable housing and MSME lending in India. Right option is Asian Development Bank. Next, identify that Indian entity that has secured a 400 million external commercial borrowing from Japan's Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporation Group and MUFG Bank through their Gujarat International Finance Tech City branches, that is GIFT city branches, that is in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. So identify that Indian entity. We are talking about IRFC. Next is mark the correct entity that has launched the global access platform, allowing the Indian retail investors and NRIs to directly trade in equities, debt and exchange traded funds in the overseas market. Right option is National Stock Exchange Limited International Exchange. Next, choose that Indian airport that has signed an MOU with Frankfurt Airport of Germany in Feb month to strengthen the air cargo connectivity between India and Europe. So, which is that Indian airport that signed an MOU with this Frankfurt Airport? It is Kempegowda International Airport, that is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Then in Feb, India's Our Lady of Grace Cathedral, Vasai, Maharashtra became the only religious site from India to receive the recognition at the UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards for Cultural Heritage Conservation, winning the Dash category. So they have won the award of merit for merit recognition. Next, in Feb, the Manipuri language film Boong became the first Indian film to win the British Academy of Film and Television Arts, that is BAFTA Awards for the Best Children's and Families Film at the 79th edition of the ceremony held at the Royal Festival Hall in London, UK. Next, who was conferred the royal honor of Dato by Kirajan Kutui Mulwaram on 23rd Feb in recognition of his contribution to social development, humanitarian efforts and agroeconomic cooperation. So who was conferred here with the royal honor of Dato? Right option is Dr. Bhargav Malappa. Next, in Feb, the Airport Council International, in partnership with the Gold Sponsors International Aeronautical Telecommunication Society, has released 2025 Airport Service Quality Customers Experience Award. Which of the following is not among the best airports at arrivals global in the ASQ Customer Experience Award? So, which of the following is not among the best airport at arrivals? Among the following, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport of Mumbai, Maharashtra is not among them. Next, Rob Arnold's Andrinus Jetten was sworn in as the youngest ever Prime Minister of Netherlands on 23rd Feb, also becoming the country's first openly gay head of government. Next is who succeeded Abhinav Bindra as the second vice chair of the International Olympic Committee of Athletes Commission after he concluded his 8-year tenure. Right option is Humphrey Kayangi. Next, the Financial Service Institution Bureau recommended Hitesh Ramachandra Joshi as the chairman cum managing director of Dash. It was of the General Insurance Corporation of India. Next, who was appointed as the global champion for road safety by UN in Feb to promote road safety awareness in India? Right option is Sachin Tendulkar. Next, Indian Institute of Technology Madras, that is IIT Madras Professor B. Ravindran was appointed to the UN Independent International Scientific Panel on Dash in Feb month, representing India and Global South. So he represented he appointed to the UN Independent International Scientific Panel on Artificial Intelligence, representing India and the Global South. Next, who was given the additional charge as the Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet on 24th of Feb. Right option is Nidhi Chibbar. Next, identify the maximum percentage of paid up share capital or voting rights that SBI Mutual Fund is allowed to acquire in RBL Bank and Bandhan Bank as approved by RBI in Feb 2026. Right option is 9.99%. Next, Union Minister of State Dr. Jitendra Singh has launched the AI product data portal Dash, that is Sujivika. Right, it was in Feb month to mark the 40th foundation day of the Department of Biotechnology. Next is the 25th Winter Olympic Games, officially known as the Milano Cortina 26, was held from 6th to 22nd of Feb across multiple venues in Lombardy and Northeast Italy. Which country topped the medal tally with 18 gold, 12 silver and 11 bronze medals, that is a total of 41. Right option is Norway. Right, so Norway secured the top position in medal tally, then it is USA, then Netherlands, then it is Italy and then Germany. Next is the Dash won the 6th edition of the Khelo India Winter Games Team Championship title in Jammu and Kashmir after the conclusion of the Gulmarg leg from 23rd to 26th of Feb. So who won the 6th edition of the Khelo India Winter Games? It is Indian Army that has won the 6th edition of Khelo India Winter Games. So Indian Army here had a total of 23 medals. Out of these 23, 9 gold, 6 silver and 8 bronze. Next, Gujarat's Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel has released the ISKCON founder Srila Prabhupada's Gujarati biography that was titled Vishwaguru Srila Prabhupada. Right? Next, when is the Central Excise Day observed to commemorate the enactment of the Central Excise and Salt Act of 1944 and honor the contributions of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. So it is 24th of Feb we observe the Central Excise Day. Next, when is the National Protein Day observed across India to raise awareness about the importance of protein in health, growth and nutrition? The right option is 27th of Feb and this is the 7th observance of this day. First time this was observed in the year 2020. Next, in Feb, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Home Minister Amit Shah, they extended the greetings to the people of Mizoram on their statehood day. On which day does the Mizoram observe their statehood day every year? So it is observed on 20th of Feb. And Mizoram, they got the statehood or they attained their statehood in 1987. Next, on 20th of Feb, LIC increased their stake to 9.09% in which pharmaceutical company after acquiring more than 2% stake over a 3-month period? Right option is Cipla Limited. Next, Microsoft named which Indian origin leader as Executive Vice President and CEO of Microsoft Gaming? Asha Sharma. Next, according to the National Monetization Pipeline 2.0 released by the Niti Aayog on Feb, how much capital does the Indian government aims to raise from state-run IPOs by FY 29-30? So the target here is 1.79 lakh crore rupees. Next, which firm was appointed by IDFC First Bank in Feb month to conduct an independent forensic audit into a suspected 590 crore rupees fraud involving accounts linked to the Haryana government? It is KPMG that was appointed by IDFC First Bank to conduct an independent forensic audit into the suspected 590 crore rupees fraud fund accounting linked to the account that was linked to the Haryana government. Next, on Feb, which company received the Best Innovations led by the Technology and InsurTech General Insurance India Award at the 6th Emerging Asia Insurance Conclave that was held in Thailand? So, which company received the Best Innovation led by Technology and InsurTech General Insurance Award? Right option is Ethica Insurance Broking. Next, Meri Rasoi scheme was launched to provide nutritional support to nearly 40 lakh economically weaker families. Which state government launched this scheme? This was launched by the Punjab government. Next, in Feb, Palamu Tiger Reserve launched the Vanjeevi Didi Initiative, a community-driven conservative program aimed at empowering women to protect forest and wildlife. This Palamu Tiger Reserve is located in which state? It is located in Jharkhand. Next, the government announced the divestment of its stake in Indian Railways Finance Corporation Limited through an offer for sale. What is the maximum percentage of stake proposed to be divested, including the green shoe option? It is 4%.